Hey friends, if you wish to install Roblox on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Search for Roblox in the search bar and hit enter. Go to Roblox. Click on install and you will be able to install it. It needs a while. I'll give an alternative method as well, though I highly recommend downloading and installing it from the Microsoft Store. Now, the alternative method is to search for Roblox download in your address bar on your browser, and then again you can go to this website, download Roblox, roblox.com/download. But the interesting thing is that even that will lead you to the Windows Store app. Now but the thing is that in this case you'll get an installer file, so you can click on open and you can install it on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.